Everyone, today we are going to see some concept in complex number, which is modulus of complex number or absolute value of complex number. A complex number is a number which is given in the form z equals to x plus yi, when x is a real part and y is imaginary part. So to find the modulus or absolute value of this number, just put z in absolute value equal under radical the square of real part plus the square of imaginary part. So let's see this example. 2 plus 3i. This is a complex number. 2 is real part, 3 is imaginary part. So to find the absolute value of this, just you take under radical the square of real part, which is 2 square, plus the square of imaginary part, which is 3 square. So under radical 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13, so it will be under radical 13. It is simple. Let's see this. Z equals to under radical 2 minus 6i. This is equal with absolute value of 2 minus 6i the power of 1 over 2. This power 1 over 2 comes from this radical. The radical is equal with this 1 over 2. So since this is equal with this, absolute value of this will be this. So it will be under radical 2 square plus minus 6 square the power of 1 over 2. It will be 2 square means 4 plus minus 6 square means 36 the power of 1 over 2. This comes from this radical. It will be under radical 4 plus 36 means 14 the power of 1 over 2. This will be root of 14. Let's do some additional example to make it more clear. Z equals to 1 minus I the power of 20 over 8 plus 8 under radical 3i times 1 minus under radical 3i the power of 6. This looks like complex, but is simple. Let's calculate. Absolute value of this number means just absolute value of z, which is 1 minus I the power of 20. Absolute value of 1 minus I the power of 20 over absolute value of 8 plus 8 under radical 3 I times absolute value of 1 minus under radical 3 I the power of 6. So this is simple. This will be under radical 1 square plus imaginary part, which is minus 1 square, minus 1 square. So there is power of 20 the power of 20 over under radical 8 square plus 8 under radical 3 square. 8 under radical 3 square times under radical 1 square plus minus under radical 3 square the power of 6. Here. This is equal with under radical 1 square is 1 and 1 square is minus 1 square also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so it will be under radical 2 the power of 20 over under radical 8 square means 64 plus 8 times 8 square times under radical 3 square, which is 64 times under radical 3 square means 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 6 times 3 is what? 80. It will be 192. So please add here 192 times under radical 1 square is 1 plus minus under radical 3 square means under radical 3 times under radical 3 minus times minus plus under radical 3 times under radical 3 is 3 the power of 6 here. This will be equal with under radical 2 1 over 2. Root 2 means 2 1 over 2, or under radical 2 the power of 20. Just let's over under radical 64 plus 192 64. 2 plus 4 is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 256. 256 times under radical 4 the power of 6. This is equal with 2 under radical 2 means 2 1 over 2, so the power of 1 over 2 times 20, power of 20 over 256 under radical 256 times this will be to the power of 6. So this is equal with 2 the power of 20 over 2 10 over this will be to the power of 4 to the power of 4 times to the power of 6. So this is equal with to the power of 10 over to the power of 4 times to the power of 6 means to the power of 10. Yes, since their base is similar, we can add the exponent to the power of 10, which is equal with 1. So the absolute value of this number is 1. Thank you for watching.